Do you need a sweatshirt?
It's cold sand now.
Come on. Look at that. Do you need a sweatshirt for real? Want me to go back and get it?
Yes.
Yeah? How are you doing with your feet?
I'm pretty good. Oh my God. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go.
You're so silly. Is it good?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is this what you want to try? No. It's good, huh, Logan?
I haven't tried this. Well, I haven't tried it, Sissy.
You gonna eat another one?
So I wanted to get pictures of
Try some?
You want a bite of soup?
Logan.
1 second.
Watch, break it here. Take your guy. Break it. Where's your zipper?
Zipper. Zipper.
All right, zip it like this. Zip it, zip it, zip it. Look at this.
I want to do that.
All right, go like this. Yep, you got it. Just like that. Yes, sir. Look at her. Whoop.
I did it.
Good job. And then, is that butter? Yeah, Daddy, hand me a butter. Thank you, thank you.
I want to pass it.
Crack it. Sorry, buddy. All right, here's a piece for Sissy. Wait, you gotta dip it in butter. Here's a piece for Logan. Dip it, dip it, dip it in the butter. All right, go ahead, try it. Try it, Sissy. Eat it. You want it? Is it good? You want Sissy's piece? Sissy, I love you.
Let's go and see what happens if we put sand on the ocean water.
Okay.
Here it goes.
It is? Yeah. Ooh, it is. Sissy, look at Mommy. Yeah, it's pretty insane.
Here comes that wave. Oh, yeah.
Here it comes.
Oh, yeah.
Cody.
Here comes the wave. My head.
Your head's in front of your face.
What are those, Sissy?
No, stay here.
Sissy, you gonna hold an alligator?
Can we bench something there? Let's do one.
No, just one.
Let Daddy help you, okay?
Dangle it over. Sit up here. Sit up
Oh gosh, make sure you hold him. No.
Stand up here.
Do not lean, Logan. Do not lean.
Dangle it down. Right around it. You gotta turn it. See him?
He's over there. He's coming for it. He sees food. Show him, Daddy. He can't see. There it is, right there. Look at your line. Look at your line. There he comes.
Here he comes.
He got it.
Put another one on there.
Cool. Hold it a little bit above the water and you can see him. There he goes. Did he get it?
He missed.
Oh. Nemo, you missed. You missed. Oh.
Uh-oh. His friend might get it.
Woo!
Did he get it?
It's in the water.
It's in the water.
Good job, sis.
They might get
Yay!
It's still there. There's another big one.
Hi, guys. Hi, guys.
Watch out!
Go ahead, brother.
Almost had it.
Yay, Sissy! Okay, Bubby's turn.
Mommy's turn. My turn. What are you waiting for?
Okay, go ahead, Bubby. Almost, Bubba. Good.
Hey, Daddy.
Go ahead, Sissy.
Guys.
Put it in the hole, Sissy.
Good
Good girl. Yay. Go ahead, buddy.
Watch out, Sissy.
Yeah, boy.
I got hole in one.
Yeah.
On this course. I can try to do it again.
Yay, sister. Yay. There are your feet.
Now, how did I show you? I was showing.
Oh my goodness.
Me too. But you dig a hole first. And now, I'm going to put my feet inside and bury them. Oh my God! Hi,
Jeez, where are you? Where are we?
You're at the beach.
Yeah.
Alrighty, guys, I want to do a quick voiceover before I end this vlog. I know this is kind of PC and chopped up. I just put all of our video clips together to kind of show you guys, you know, what we did in Destin. This was our first time. We loved it. The water is so blue and the sand is so white. It was awesome. It was really hot. I want to say the track and the Fudpuckers that we went to, we found coupons for both of those in one of the local coupon books, which you can find at your hotel or in most of like the restaurants and stuff there. So definitely pick those up, because whenever we went to Fudpuckers, we ate, but also in order to hold the alligator, take a picture with the alligator, and to feed the alligators, we paid a total of $10 with that coupon. So definitely look for those coupons. Anyway, that is it. If you have any comments, questions, or anything, please leave them down in the description bar. But that is it. Please check out our other Florida vlogs and our tips linked below. Anyway, that is it. Please stay. Please subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. It means the world to me. Bye, y'all. Love yins.